I have not been here since the kitchen was completed. I want to make sure I document this because I have a feeling it's gonna be good.
Got it, Mom? Hello. Welcome to my life.
Hi, welcome back to the Gold Loon Cottage. There's about to be some chop. I think the last time we were out this far on the lake, it was frozen.
Welcome to episode 2.
What's your favorite part of the improvements that have happened at the cottage?
Is that it's a mess up there right now.
Oh, here. Ah! Here, you sit down there. You sit down there.
Stroke.
This is Is this exciting? So satisfying.
I know. Ow!
We're up here for what is a kind of dreary start to the summer break. What can I help you with?
It's finally starting to get a little sunny out.
Yeah! It's been raining for the past like 3 days straight here.
This is so awesome! Holy giblets!
But I think we're just happy to be up here. We've been watching movies and cooking and just kind of getting to know the cottage. Yes, that is a gold mixing bowl. Does it look like pancakes? Remember when I talked about standing under the window and doing the dishes? Currently right now the sink sits here and the window sits here. We're gonna core out the window to be much larger so that it's actually in line with the top of the door, and it's gonna come over a little more on the left. I did my first batch of dishes in this sink last night under the window, and it was just as magnificent as I imagined it would be. Does it look tasty?
Yeah.
Would it kill you to say something nice?
Mom! Pancakes! These look great.
Do you know what that sound is? The sweet, sweet sound of clean laundry at the cottage.
We need to chug down this choco because we don't know where the lid is.
It's quality mothering right here. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh. Okay, this is the end of whatever this has been. Cottage Chronicles, the Gold Loon. This whole makeover process has finally come to a close, and we are just putting the finishing touches on this cottage. Hello. Look at this attention to detail. I had the shower niche custom made to be the exact width of 5 by 2. It fits perfectly in there. I'm up here with my friend Christian doing photography, and we're getting the final listing ready. How's it look?
Delightful.
So without further ado, here is the final reveal. Welcome, here she is. It's been so much hard work and tears, sweat, blood, bruises. Summertime is here and we have so much outdoor living space. The dock is this close to the beach. I just can't believe it. What an insane process it's been. Thank you so much for following along on this journey. Can't wait to see what's next. The pylon from when we were using a hole in the lake for our water this past winter is still out there, and the time has finally come to fish it out. And that is how we get some water now. Let's go. This is a closure moment here, people. Do you see it? Walk towards the pylon. There it is. It's right there. Guys, that's where we had our hole in the lake. Get that pylon. It's right underneath you. You're on top of it. It's under the crock. I know what needs to happen next. I've accepted my fate. We gotta save that pylon, folks. It is not at all sunny or nice or pleasant, but nothing about this experience has been, so why would I expect this to be any different?
Today, my mother will be freezing.
I'm not scared. Go, girl.
Mommy, say something.
Hi, we're making a transformation. It's a lot of firewood. I'm gonna just shut it down for now and see what's next. Just finished moving all of that stuff in the back of this truck. Through lots and lots of snow. God! Ow!
That's so fun.
Let's get this party started. Hey!